most guys worry that they're too small, but rest assured, most men fall into the average, which is about 5 inches when erect. Does size matter? Well, first of all, let's be honest. Most guys worry that they may be too small. Most guys don't tend to worry that they may be too big, although perhaps they should be, because when a guy is too big, it can lead to painful sex and it can create anxiety for a guy's partner. That said, most guys worry that they're too small, but rest assured, most men fall into the average, which is about 5 inches when erect, which is more than enough size. You have to remember that, first of all of the sensitive nerve endings that contribute to the female orgasm are mainly located on the surface of a woman's vulva and also within the first few inches of the vaginal canal. So that 5 inches is going to be more than enough. Also, the vagina tends to expand and compress and sort of adapt itself very naturally to a partner's size. So more than likely, even if you're average size, you're going to really be able to have a perfect fit with your partner.